Hey everyone, the Bluetti Elite 400 arrives as one of the company's most ambitious, large-capacity portable power stations to date, offering a blend of massive storage, fast charging, and home backup-ready performance. Positioned as the direct successor to last year's Elite 242, it carries forward Bluetti's focus on durability and safety through its LiFePO4 chemistry while delivering significant improvements across almost every category, from capacity to output to usability. The first thing that stands out about the Elite 400 is its size. Bluetti has increased the overall footprint, resulting in a power station that weighs around 39 kilos and measures 472 by 286 by 1042 millimeters. Despite its added bulk, it remains surprisingly manageable thanks to a trolley-style design that includes smooth rolling wheels and a retractable telescopic handle. Inside, the Elite 400 houses a substantial 3,840 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery, giving it the kind of endurance typically reserved for stationary home backup units. What elevates this model is Bluetti's dual fast charging system, which combines AC and solar input to replenish the battery from 0 to 80% in roughly 70 minutes. In terms of raw power, the Elite 400 pushes a 2,600-watt continuous output, enough to support high-demand appliances such as refrigerators, microwaves, and professional-grade power tools. When more surge capacity is needed, a 3,900-watt powerlifting mode steps in, allowing the station to handle devices with heavier startup loads. Connectivity is equally extensive. Bluetti equips the unit with 4 AC outlets rated for the full 2,600-watt, 2 USB-A ports supporting up to 15 watt each, dual 100-watt USB-C ports for fast laptop and device charging, an automotive 12-volt cigarette lighter port capable of 120 watt, and a UPS mode with a switchover time of under 15 milliseconds. Bluetti's companion app further enhances the experience, offering remote monitoring, scheduled timers, sleep mode management, and remote wake-up functions. These software tools add a layer of automation and convenience, transforming the Elite 400 from a simple portable power source into a smart home backup system. The Elite 400 launches alongside the smaller Elite 10 power station and the B500K expansion battery, but it is clearly the anchor of the lineup, the new B500K. With a massive 5,120 watt-hour LFP capacity, can pair with nearly all Bluetti's larger ecosystems. This optional expansion suggests that Bluetti sees its new Elite platform as modular and long-term, giving users the opportunity to grow their power supply over time. Early bird pricing for the Bluetti Elite 400 begins at $1,499, while the B500K expansion battery starts at $1,699. A limited promotional code offers an additional 6% discount, and both products are already available for purchase on Bluetti's official website. The company has yet to reveal pricing for the compact Elite 10. Overall, the Bluetti Elite 400 stands out as a powerful, thoughtfully engineered, portable power station designed for users who need serious capacity and dependable backup performance. Its fast charging, impressive output, robust build, and smart features position it as one of the strongest all-around solutions in Bluetti's lineup, well-suited for home resiliency, off-grid life, and heavy-duty power demands. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I will be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.